what are we making tonight?
I'm making pork tenderloin with sauteed green beans and roasted Parmesan garlic potatoes. Oh, yeah.
Behind the scenes of what's to come on TikTok and on YouTube. Right now we're making barbecue pork. And we got this, which honestly, this is going to be a fan favorite. I can feel it.
Sauteed in bacon grease.
That's the real way, apparently. I've never even heard of that before today.
Please don't fall. And then nice sear on the pork.
Look at how great that looks.
I'm just going to put that one back over.
Wow.
Wait, come here. This is where the real magic's at. Everybody loves potatoes. Everybody.
Look at that.
Actually, I can pull those out right now.
Here we go. Look at that. That is just beautiful.
Parmesan got burned, but that's okay.
It's alright, that's what's going to happen if you put them in long enough. Unfortunately, some of your seasonings are going to burn, but that's how you know that they're cooked through. You see, look at this smart guy. This is what we do.
A little bit of olive oil, and then we'll hit it with a little bit more.
And these green beans here, they took about, I want to say, 20 to 25 minutes to make fully. About 15 minutes for it just to, you know, cook up nice. And then we added the fat around that time, another 10 minutes. And that's what
I didn't want to add the fat in it immediately because I put brown sugar in it. And you don't want it caramelized.
That makes sense.
Alright,
Oh, thanks there, Scott. I see that you said the food looks great. Yeah, this guy, honestly, he's been cooking for years now. So, he knows what he's doing. All right. We're almost done here. Well, just want you guys to know that next week, around Wednesday, we're going to go live as usual. Everybody's good now, which, man, we're very thankful for that.
make a plate real quick so that way you can see what it looks like.
About 2/3 of the way there. It's a little behind the scenes for you guys. We're going to have a little how-to video on how to make this exact dish. Going to also have this added to a whisk profile of Mike's. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Give us a thumbs up, Mike. That's what I'm talking about. That's real food right there. All right, guys. Well, until next Wednesday, we will be back on around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
There is more videos coming tonight, though, of things that we have not shown you right now that we're not going to show you until we post the videos, honestly.
Exactly. So you guys got to stay up to date. Definitely follow us and make sure that you like everything that we got going on so that we can make sure that more people see exactly what we've got going on. All right, guys. Well, until next time.
I found the knives.
Perfect.
You know what to do.